Permanent Secretary Emmanuel Chuluba-Nama says President Edgar Lungu is determined to ensure that the recent ritual murders that rocked some parts of Lusaka recently do not happen again. Mr. Chuluba-Nama says measures have been put in place by all security wings to ensure that Zambians and foreign nationals coexist. He said this today when he visited affected families of the recent suspected ritual murders in Matero Township. Nambula Sililo has more in the following report.
It has been over a week since this family lost their firstborn child, William Chipoya. William, 38, died at the hands of the suspected ritual murders that rocked some parts of Lusaka recently. State House Permanent Secretary Emmanuel Chuluba-Nama and PF Deputy Spokesperson Frank Bwalya visited the affected families in Matero compound.
President Baleti wakata ensure kwa security muno area ya stepped up.
Mr. Bwalya comforted the families that President Edgar Lungu has the interest of every Zambian at heart and that he will ensure that Zambians continue to live in a peaceful and safe environment.
Afterwards, similarly, not everyone can be lucky to see the president, to be assisted directly by the president, but through people like ourselves, the PS who has come here, we can say that the president is here today to bring words of consolation, to bring words of encouragement after that loss.
And PF member Boman Lusambo held President Lungu for making quick interventions to restore peace in Lusaka after some unruly residents looted shops belonging to foreign nationals.
And we are very happy that the humble leadership of His Excellency Edgar Chagwa came in fast and sorted out the problem. This is how the people of Zambia are known to be. Zambia is a Christian nation, heaven of peace, and we expected the people to behave in a Christian way.
Meanwhile, Rwandan government has today repatriated 11 out of the 50 Rwandese who sought refuge at the Rwandese embassy in Lusaka.
We thank the Zambian government for the manner in which they responded very effectively. The help that came from the police together with the National Army, I think, has ably stopped the mob rioting.
Nambula Sililo, ZNBC News, Lusaka.
Vice President Inonge Wina is hopeful that